Hi, I'm Tanya Janka, and I want to talk to you about AI and all the things that's been happening with Anthropic lately. So recently, Anthropic made uh, a human error and essentially, forgot to turn off debug things in production by accidentally releasing their source code. So they left a map file, and they didn't block it in their git ignore, and they uploaded it, and then people got a copy of the source code, and the internet's been on fire analyzing it for vulnerabilities and finding problems in it, and then attacking Claude. And then on top of this, what's at the same time, they created a new model called Mythos, which is able to find vulnerabilities very, very quickly and novel new types of vulnerabilities, string them together into advanced attacks, essentially, like exploits. So quite often, if you find a few things wrong, you can put them together and then actually get somewhere. Just because you find something wrong doesn't mean you can get somewhere necessarily. And so they've been reporting vulnerabilities to OpenSSL, Microsoft, and other big organizations. Uh, and so using it for good, reporting the vulnerabilities to the people that make the stuff, not releasing it on in the wild onto the internet for anyone to use against anyone else. And I think that that's good. But also, people are using agents and other things more and more and more to do various work. People are making um, their own AI systems, tacking things onto the AI systems. We have people creating dark factories. So a dark factory traditionally was a factory just full of robots, like a physical factory building things, but now they're building software dark factories where there's no humans involved and the AIs just build everything. And basically, when I was at RSA, a common theme was panic. A lot of people are really concerned. This is the thing a lot of people want to do something about. And so, um, two things. So I can't solve everything quite yet. I'm working on it, though. I'm working on helping. Um, so two things. So one is I've created a free, and by free I mean you have to sign up for my newsletter, but that's fairly free. Um, a, a, a framework, the document of AI secure coding prompts that I made by distilling all the knowledge in my most recent book, Alice and Bob Learn Secure Coding, which is right there over my shoulder. I distilled all the information down into like a prompt that could be in memory every single time that you generate any code that will help direct it to make more secure code, and then also list all of its security assumptions, which is something, trust me, you really want to know. And then a whole list of other prompts that can help you build specific technologies and architect things in a more secure way. And then a secure code review prompt that you would run after. And so the document that you'll get will explain how to use it. And it will make more secure code than if you just run the AI on its own. And so I'm offering that as one solution. The other one is a piece of advice, unless you want to hire me to come do the advice. But anyway, the advice is look at your system development lifecycle and adjust it for AI realities. So you, first of all, need a policy about which AIs they're allowed to use and which ones they're not, and how they should use it. You should train them how you want them to use it and how you don't want them to use it, and show them the risks involved. You want to give them AI aware tool set, right? So some of the AppSec vendors have really, really, really like gone along and changed and adjusted and are completely redesigning their products to make sure that they work in this new world. And some of them have not. Um, and so you might want to switch vendors depending upon what you're doing. You want to make sure that you're supporting them through this transition so that they can continue to make code, they can continue to move fast, but ideally they can hopefully do it in a safer way instead of a less secure way. And so go get my prompts at securemyvibe.ca. So again, it's securemyvibe.ca, and I'll put a link down below. Um, and put the first one in memory, prompt number one in memory, or the clothes skill or whatever. So it runs every single time. It's very important. It runs every single time. And then from there, um, consider teaching them or hiring me. I am supposed to say you're supposed to hire me, but anyway, showing them how to use the rest of the library, showing them the things you want them to do, adjusting your policies, adjusting your system development lifecycle so that each time they build software and as they maintain software, they know exactly what you expect from them when it comes to using AI securely, the risks from AI, and how to get the best out of the AI. So with that, I'm Tanya Janka, also known as She Hacks Purple, and let's not panic. Instead, let's set some new best practices and let's start doing them. Until next time.